Okay, so I'm here with another video and another new solution. So let's read this problem. And this problem is valid palindrome. And this is let me tell you, this is a very famous question of LeetCode. Not a very tough question. It is an easy level question. And you can see 503 people or 503 people are online in this question. So you can see its popularity. So let me explain this question to you by an example. This is not a very tough question. So hey, see here. Example input string is man, comma a plane, comma a canal, uh, then space and this two dots and then Panama. Okay, so see if you remove all these things which are not a string. So this space is not a string. This comma is not a string. This semicolon is not a string. So if you remove all of them, then you will only get this. Okay, and if you reverse this thing you will get the same thing. See, AAMMAANNAP and rest of the thing is same. So see here, race a car. If you remove every space and every non alphanumeric thing, so what you will get, you will get race a car and no space between them. If you reverse this, R is equals to R, A is equals to A, and okay, C is equals to C, but here A is not equal to E, so here it is that's why it is not palindrome. Okay, so now I'm going to do this question, and solution is very easy. So here you just need, the difficult portion is to remove those non-alphanumeric character. So we'll do this by let me show you my approach. So for uh, there are two approaches of doing this question. I'll tell you both the approaches. I is equals to 0 and I less than what. So first approach is very simple. Let reverse reve as okay, and let reality so I'll make both of the string at same time. As well, sorry, length and I plus plus. Sometimes I do these mistakes typing errors. It's very common, can happen with you as well. So what I will do, if my s of I, so here you can in JavaScript, for JavaScript I'm using this, and so I'm doing this for every language. So I will use a function here like so for JavaScript people you can do something like this dot match match, okay, and you can, there's a regex like this, and uh, A to Z, okay, and 0 to 9. So this is for alphanumeric, and here I will write I. Okay, so this thing, this, and let me see, is this correct or not? Wait, dot match. Wait, I'm removing this all. Yes, and here I'll write I, A to Z, and 0 to 9. Okay, and see here what I will do, S is equals to S dot to case. Okay, I'm converting it everything to lowercase. See this, capital is converted to small a. So in JavaScript you can do something like this. It will check whether your string is alphanumeric or not. But if you are from some other language, so there we have a function. I'm not writing that function. You can check it on internet. But I'm just telling you the idea. What we will do, we will check inside our statement. We will do what? We will check if our character, if s of I is greater than a dot char code at. So in most of the language, in every languages we have this function with some different name. In Java it can be a different function from any other name, but in JavaScript we have this char code at, and in every language we have some function like this, something like this, and s of I greater than equal to char code at a. So suppose ASSCI code, SCI code of a is suppose ASCII code of A is I don't know 6970 or whatever, and so it should be greater than its character code at A, and it should be less than S of I should be less than what, Z dot char wait sorry, I'm going out of string char code at. This will work fine. Okay, this and this thing both are same, and for 0 to 9 you can do this as well. Okay, so see, for that you can do this, but I'm using this regex because if you don't want to use that long condition, you can use this regex as well. So now our logic is quite simple. So filtered string is what? FIL plus is equals to what? S of I. And see, now I will do what? REB ER reverse. Reverse is equals to uh, S of I plus. See what I did here. So in filter you can see filter is equals to filter plus S of I, means suppose I have something in filter like ABCD, and after that and my S of I is E. So I'm attaching S of I, which is E, to ABCD. So it's ABCDE. If I combine both of them, it will become ABCDE. And see, if in reverse I have ABCD, okay, so I have ABCD and S of I is E. So E will not combine after ABCD. I'm combining ABCD after S of I. So S of I is E. After that ABCD. So this become EABCD. So that's how I'm reversing it. I'm using this reverse like this. Okay. And now return. Sorry. Return filtered. Okay. And if every spelling is correct, it should run fine. Hope everything is correct here. Yes, and if I submit it, it should work perfectly fine. Yes, it should work. Yes, you can see here it is running with 15 milliseconds. Okay, so and now I will show you how to do it. So here we are using an extra space of this reverse. Okay, and we are using two extra spaces, but I really don't want to use them. So now we will apply some other logic. See what we will do here. So I'm commenting this code. Okay, and now see, and this reverse also. Yes, and now what I will do is, shall I go to description? Yes. Wait, submission. Yes, one submission. Okay, so here see, I will check this if last and first. See this. First character A is equals to this last character A. Then after that space. So I will not count it. I will use two pointer here. First is I and last is X. Okay, and if both of them are equal, I will move both. I will move I to one step ahead, and I will move X to one step from last. Okay, and then I will check. So see, I is right now space. So I is not a string, not a alphanumeric thing. So I will increase I. I will again check. Is this equal to my last? Yes. Now n is m, x is m. Okay. So now x will here, and I will go here. That's how I will check. So I should write my code now. That is a very easy approach. That's why I said this is a very easy question. So if so, see, whenever this is a good practice, whenever you're writing a while loop, never write condition before. First write a code, then think about the condition, and this is how you will fall in less error conditions. So what I will do, let I is equals to 0 and let x is equals to what, uh, s dot length minus 1. Yes, this is my last character. Yes, if what if see, if s of I is so here I'm using this thing, not match dot. So see, I'm applying this not symbol here, means this condition, if this condition not happens, I'm copying this thing. I don't want to type it again and again, but you should type if you want. Hmm. Okay, so if it not matches, I will do I plus plus. Else, so now I just want to write this if else conditions. If s of I, s of x, okay, not s of I, s of x. dot match. Okay, so here I'm applying again not matches this condition, x minus minus. Okay, and else suppose they both are matching. If uh, what s of I is equals to s of x, then what will I do? I will I don't have to do anything. I'll just increase I, because we have to end while loop somewhere, and it will end according to condition of I and x, and x minus minus, not x plus plus. And suppose if they both are not equal, at some point they are not equal, else return uh, false. Yes, that's a good code. And now I'm writing while condition. So in this whole process, I will always be less than x. And you, if you want to write equal to, you can write equal to. So now I'm running it and hope it will not give me any error. And though it shouldn't give me any error, let me run it. So okay, one test case passed and two failed. Okay, let me see what's the error. Expected true and it is giving me false. Okay, so if this happens, uh, wait, let me see what is happening here. So okay, this condition is correct. If s of x doesn't match, I'm decreasing s of x. Yes, else I'm returning false. Is equals to s of x. So I can't see any error here. Let me. So I'm doing what I'm doing. Let me run it again. Something is wrong here. Let me see it again. So my I will always be, while my I is less than x. So I am increasing my I, I'm decreasing my x. Yes, s dot length minus one. So yes. Okay. So yeah, I know what is I got it. See, we are not converting anything to lowercase, so we should ideally do this. Okay, s dot to lowercase. Now it will, and here see that equal to wasn't giving me any error. If now I will run this, it will give me a fine solution. Okay, again, why? Output is undefined right now. So let me see why it is undefined. So s dot length, yes. Again, is it equal to making any error? So while I less than x, so yeah, not equal to is not making any error. Output is undefined, not false, nothing else. Uh, so else return true. Oh, we forgot to write this. Suppose this happened, everything of this happened, and I didn't get any false, so it should give me true, right? And now I'm 110% confident. Yes, see this, and I'm now running it and seeing is it accepted. Yes, it is accepting, and now it is O of n. We can easily see from here if I analyze complexity. So O of n, yes, nothing special. Thank you so much.